How to download? First, do a screenshot and screenshot this video. Now go to the Google Drive and now upload the screenshot. Select more photos, check, videos, check. Okay, so now it's processing. So when it's finished, go to Home of Google Drive. It's here now. So now we have to rename beksbattalion.mp4. Okay, so now we're going to open it. Choose Open In. You can choose iMovie or Splice or which application you use. Okay, I will choose Splice and it's imported already. So now we will go to Splice. Now I will add the music. Imported music. BEKS Battalion. Click. Okay, so now click Add. So now it's here. So now I will going to crop the soundtracks. And push on the left and duplicate. Okay, so now I will play it.